Experimentation is an important practice for the development of science understanding, but it can be hard to do classroom experiments to learn about ecosystems because ecosystems are complex systems in which processes are often hard to see and can take place over large scales of space and time. Immersive virtual environments can help students learn about ecosystems by situating student inquiry in a realistic context. EcoXPT is an inquiry-based middle school ecosystem science curriculum that is designed to support students in doing experimentation. It's based on an earlier immersive world called EcoMove, in which students investigate a virtual pond to figure out why all of the large fish in the pond have died. Students make observations, collect data over time, and talk to characters in the world. But in EcoXPT, they can also conduct a variety of experiments, the kinds of experiments that real ecosystem scientists do. EcoXPT includes 6 kinds of experiments and tools for going deeper into the causal relationships in the system. They include tolerance tanks to see what factors are harmful to fish, comparison tanks to set up experiments with different factors, a weather simulator to see the effects of air temperature and wind, tracers to see where fertilizer runoff goes, a sensor buoy that collects 24-hour data in the pond, and a mesocosm experiment to see the effects of sunlight and nutrients on algae. The curriculum includes thinking moves, a set of strategies to guide students while they investigate the world. These thinking moves are introduced through short videos and posters.
Let me show you the first thinking move that will be helpful. Scientists call it deep seeing. When I'm practicing deep seeing, I look closely.
Design-based research with EcoXPT looked at how students interact with the new experimental tools. For example, these students are adding chemical tracers to bags of fertilizer in order to see how the spatial layout and topography of the pond affect fertilizer runoff when it rains. The concept map tool allows students to construct a map that represents their ideas about the causal relationships in the ecosystem.
Green algae make dissolved oxygen, which is consumed by all 3 of the fish. And the fish,
Over the next year, we are conducting research studies of the full EcoXPT curriculum to see how it might enhance student abilities to develop sophisticated and accurate mental models for difficult science concepts, and to increase their engagement and understanding of forms of inquiry in science.